There's this sound effect when camera pop up and also the LED light on its sides. Hello everyone, Sans here. In this video, we'll do the unboxing video of Xiaomi Mi 90. Xiaomi Mi 90 is the global version of Redmi K20, which was launched in China on June 2019. For the global version of Redmi K20 named with Xiaomi Mi 90. The specifications and colors is exactly the same as Redmi K20. On the front part of the box, there is picture of Mi 90 smartphone. At the bottom, there is print of Mi 90. And in the left and right section, there are also Mi 90 print. At the top of the box is empty and behind is also empty. There are prints of Mi 90 carbon black with 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB internal memory. At the bottom, there is also another specification about this device. Okay, now let's just open the box of Xiaomi Mi 90. Let's open the plastic cover. In Mi 90 sales package, there is no other seals on the box besides the other plastic wrap. No visible seal on the inside as well. I got this Mi 90 from one of the marketplace at a price of $400 for 128 GB internal memory capacity. And for the 64 GB internal memory capacity, you can get it around $350. Okay, now let's open the Xiaomi Mi 90 package. Here's the contents of the box. Let's open it first. At the top, there is a case and some manual and warranty book. The warranty and manual book is already in English. And this is the case for Xiaomi Mi 90 smartphone. There is a Xiaomi logo on the back of the case. The color of this case is black and it's pretty good. This is kind of hard case. Let's put the case aside first. Then, of course, we also got the Mi 90 smartphone device. And here's the cell phone. On the front side, there is some prints about the specification: 48 megapixel AI rear camera, 20 megapixel pop-up selfie camera, 6.3-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display and fast in-screen fingerprint sensor, and 4000 mAh battery, high capacity battery with 18W fast charge. And the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 with 8nm processor up to 2.2 GHz. The latest processor on this phone is pretty interesting actually. Before we take a look at the device, let's see other contents of the box. We also got one charger adapter, which is already in global European version. This adapter supports fast charging or quick charge from Qualcomm with the maximum output 5V 3A. So it already comes with fast charge, and we also get a charger cable for this cell phone. This phone already comes with USB Type-C cable. It seems that that's all of the content from this package. No other accessories like earphone, just like other Xiaomi mobile phones package. Now let's immediately take a look at the Mi 90 smartphone device. Let's turn on the Mi 90 device and try taking a few sample photos from this device. This is all the contents of Mi 90 package. First, we got the phone, of course, the charger adapter, USB Type-C cable, and also the case for the cell phone. An ejector pin and also user manual. That's the full content of the box of Mi 90 package. Now let's immediately check the cell phone. Okay, here is the Mi 90 cell phone with carbon black color. Let's open the plastic first. Here's the Mi 90 screen without a notch or cutout display. For the power button, it looks very attractive with red color on the right side of the phone. And above the power button, there is a volume rocker button. At the bottom, there is a USB Type-C port, speaker, and also the SIM card tray. Then there's nothing on the left side of this phone. At the top there is 20 megapixel front selfie camera, 3.5mm audio jack, and also microphone port. At the top of this phone there is no infrared sensor. The earpiece on this phone looks pretty small at the top of the screen. Now let's see the back design of this phone. On the back of this phone has a triple camera setup, and there is 48 megapixel AI triple camera at the top. So let's take off the back cover sticker. Here it is, the redesign of Mi 90 phone. It seems quite glossy and pretty cool actually. On the back there are carbon accent. You can see the carbon accent inside the glass. Now let's check the Xiaomi Mi 90 cell phone. The most interesting thing about this Mi 90, of course, the 20 megapixel pop-up camera, and the rear camera is 48 megapixel. The bezel screen design is also something pretty interesting of this smartphone. Okay, now let's try taking some photos on Mi 90 smartphone device. Let's take a look at the result. This is the primary camera result. And this is the 48 megapixel camera. Then let's try taking ultra-wide lenses from the same position. Then with telephoto lens. And this is the telephoto lens sample photo. The result is pretty good, and the photo quality is also quite sharp. Maybe before taking photo with the front camera, let's take some other photo with another object. This is the telephoto lens sample. And ultra-wide lens. Okay, here is the photo result. Ultra-wide photo, telephoto, and ultra-wide. And this is another 48 megapixel photo sample. The speed when taking 48 megapixel photo is fast enough as compared to previous Redmi Note 7, which was sometimes still comes with error before the software update. And this is actually fast enough with Snapdragon 730. Okay, now let's take some other photos with front selfie camera. Here is the pop-up camera on Xiaomi Mi 90. There is the animation and sound when camera pop up. And also there is an LED light effect on each sides of the camera. It's pretty exciting and satisfying playing with the pop-up camera on this device. Okay, let's try to take some other photos. This is the result of the front selfie camera. The pop-up camera immediately closes automatically when we already done taking photos. The front camera is pretty good with 20 megapixel resolution. Let's try it once again. It's pretty clear and sharp with the 20 megapixel front selfie camera. And the pop-up camera sound and LED light animation can be easily set up from additional settings. Here you can also replace the animation sound with another sound effect. This is the default sound effect. This is a robot voice, magic, mecha, gear wheel, and cabin door. Let's try the gear wheel animation sound. And if you want to turn off the sound, you can turn it off here. And this is the visual effect. Let's turn it off. Well, if you turn off the visual effect, the LED light will also turn off. And if you want visual effects only, the lights will stay on but without animation sound. Okay, maybe that's all for the unboxing video of Mi 90 device. This is one of the pretty interesting phone for tech enthusiasts or for those who like cool gadgets with high specs and fairly affordable prices. To check the full review of Mi 90, don't forget to click subscribe button and also click the bell icon so that you get a notification if there is the latest video from this channel. And also don't forget to join our Telegram group in the link on the description below. So what do you think about this Mi 90 cell phone? Tell us what you want to see in the next review of Mi 90 smartphone on the comment section below. See you in the next one.